Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to see the blocked list on Instagram. We start by opening Instagram. Next, click on the three-line side menu and then on Blocked option. Here we can see the accounts that we have blocked, and if we want, we can even unblock them. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.